In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom fields in Microsoft Project. Custom fields let you track exactly the information your team needs, like risk levels, categories, flags, numbers, or dates, beyond what the built-in fields provide. We'll do this in the Microsoft Project desktop app and keep it simple and clear. Start by opening your project and going to the Project tab on the ribbon. In the Properties group, click Custom Fields. If you don't see that option, make sure you're in a task or resource view, such as Gantt chart. Certain views can hide commands, and switching to a sheet-style view brings them back. In the Custom Fields dialog, first choose where the field should live: task, resource, or project. Task fields appear on individual tasks. Resource fields are for people or materials, and project fields hold information at the overall project level, like a project category or status. Next, pick the type of field you want from the drop-down. Text is great for labels like client name or risk category. Number works for scores or rankings. Date captures deadlines or review dates. Flag is a simple yes/no, perfect for something like requires approval. You'll also see types like cost and duration if you need them. Then select one of the available placeholders, such as text1 or number1, and click Rename. Give it a clear, meaningful name that your team will understand at a glance. Short, consistent naming helps when you add multiple custom fields later. Optionally, you can click Formula to calculate values automatically, for example, combining other fields or applying logic to generate a score. Keep in mind that when a formula is set, the field becomes calculated and you won't type into it directly. Alternatively, choose lookup table to define a fixed list of allowed values, which is handy for standardizing entries like low, medium, and high. This keeps your data clean and consistent across the team. When you're ready, click OK to create the field. To use the field in your view, go to a sheet view like Gantt chart. Right-click any column header and choose Insert Column. Search for and select the custom field you just created by its new name. It will appear as a column in your task list, ready for input. If you used a lookup table, you'll see a drop-down. If it's a flag, you'll see a simple yes/no. Otherwise, type directly into the cells. That's it. With custom fields in place, you can track the exact details your project needs and keep your plans consistent, clear, and actionable.